Here I am logged in as a new user. I'm creating a brand new workspace. This workspace is the name of the application that I plan on launching. I've got a brand new VCS that I've connected to, my own, and I am now creating my workspace. At this point, I want to check out what modules are available. So I'll click on Modules at the top. And I can then click on the details to see what's available in this module. Here I can see the inputs that I can give to this module. They're all optional. And then on the right hand side I can also see the basic code I would need to put into my Terraform file to utilize this module. The last part I want to look at are the outputs. And here I can see the demo subnet ID, which is what I'm going to use in my code later. And I'm going to go into the configuration designer and I'm going to start filling out the variables. Here I want to change the region because my AMI is in a different region, and so I'm going to fill out only the region and subnet availability zones. I can leave the others blank, and this creates just the code I need to be pasted into my Terraform files. At this point, I'm going to open up my code editor and I am going to paste in at the top the module. We can see that it points to the private registry and we can see the variables I created, and along with that we can see that at the very bottom that is the code I need for consuming the module for that subnet ID. I'm utilizing the output from the module to reference in this VM. Here we're going to publish this into source control. And now I'll go into my workspace and I can see the variables that need to be set. Make sure that you set your AWS access key and secret key again, because this is a different workspace and will require that to run during your planning. So the planning is now running, and we can see that the plan is to add 3 resources. And so now let's look at what actually is going to occur and get created. We can see that we've got the VPC, we've got the subnet, and ultimately the VM itself. Now we can click confirm and apply, and the apply starts kicking off, and all 3 resources will be generated. All right, all 3 resources were generated, and we can check out the state and see all of the details. Here we can see the resources, the outputs, and then ultimately the resources here that were generated.